Hello class, today we are going to start a new chapter, carbon and its compound. In this chapter we are going to study about the carbon compounds, allotropes of carbon, definitions, explanations. Then we'll learn about crystalline and amorphous nature of allotropes of carbon. Here we'll study about diamond, graphite, fluorine. We'll see uses of diamond, graphite, coke, coal and soot, laboratory preparations, properties and uses of carbon dioxide, properties and uses of carbon monoxide. In this chapter we are going to deal with all these topics. Carbon is a very important element, as we know, because it forms more compounds than all other elements. It is a major chemical constituent of most organic matter. That means if there is a term called organic matter, then there is always a presence of a carbon element. Fossil fuels to the complex molecules like DNA and RNA, all this contains carbon element that control genetic reproduction in organisms. Carbon forms organic compounds such as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means the compounds which contains only carbon and hydrogen, and proteins. It also forms inorganic compounds such as carbonates, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxides. Now the difference between organic compounds and inorganic compound is organic compounds are the compounds which are obtained from living organisms like plants and animals, whereas inorganic compound means the compounds which are obtained from minerals. They are called as inorganic compounds. Carbon compounds are formed in the following everyday things, as we know: food in form of proteins, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins; clothes, cotton, wool, silk, nylon, terylene; fuels, petrol, kerosene, diesel, LPG, CNG, liquefied petroleum gas, compressed natural gas; plastics, polythene, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, all these are polymers. Medicines, it is also used in medicines, antipyretics, analgesics, antibiotics. Antipyretic means the medicines which will bring down the fever or high body temperature. Analgesics is painkiller. Similarly, other products like wood, paper, pens and inks. So you'll find all this as organic compounds, carbon compounds. Occurrence, where it occurs. In nature, carbon is found in the free as well as in the combined state. Carbon constitutes only about 0.032% of the Earth's crust. However, it is very important part in all living things. Number one, in the free state, carbon occurs as diamond, graphite and coal. It is found in the free state in the form of diamond, graphite and coal. In the combined state, it occurs in many plants and animals in form of carbohydrate, proteins, fats and vitamins. In nature as hydrocarbons such as methane, ethane, petroleum, natural gas. In carbonate minerals such as limestone or marble or chalk, calcium carbonate, magnesite, magnesium carbonate, dolomite, magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate. It is used in the atmosphere. Occurs in the atmosphere as carbon dioxide, in water as dissolved carbon dioxide and carbonic acid. Carbon atomic number is 6, symbol is capital C. Atomic mass number is 12 and valency is 4, as we know. Next thing, here we have got the list of the organic compounds and inorganic compounds that are formed of carbons, hydrocarbons, methane, ethane, butane, benzene, and these are the molecular formulas for this. Similarly, alcohols, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, acids, acetic acid, sugar, glucose, and inorganic compounds will find carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate, copper carbonate, calcium carbonate, and these are the molecular formulas where we find the carbon compounds.